but not paying $8 for it. See if they have anything new here. Oh, look, that's the one that I was talking about. At least I don't have to eat this 5-pack. But it does have some really good cars in it. Like, look at that. Skyline was that 2000 GTX, Miata, the Escort, the Manga. It's actually a pretty solid set, really. But not paying $8 for it. It's crazy. This doesn't look good. Yep. They don't have barely anything left. Yeah. We'll try one more spot. Yep. I don't have anything. These have all been sitting like this for a while. I am kind of wanting to get another one of these and do a custom, because I think the body lines of this car would look amazing with some detail. I'll hold off on that one just a little bit longer. Kind of everywhere, and I'm in no rush. So yeah, guys, that was a bust. This place was stacked for maybe like a good week, and then it's been dry, nothing new. All right, we'll go to Fry's later on. All right, let's try stop number 2. See what they got in here. Jeez, that is super clean. Alright, let's see. I'm getting a whole bunch of these in. Oh my god, they have nothing. That is expected, I guess, but geez, I wasn't thinking it was gonna be that dry. Man, that is bad. Alright guys, stop off number 3. This place never disappoints. So I'm actually here for my buddy, pick up some Pokemon stuff for him and see what Hot Wheels they got in. Maybe the vendors updated their stuff, so we'll see. Alright, looks like they got some more stuff. Older. Look at that, you got the 98 Chevelle over there for $4. And then the 65 Mustang. I'm gonna have to come back for that. Look at that. This guy put some really good little dioramas together, really nice. I always look at these when I come by here. Look at this. Little Coca-Cola. It's pretty sweet. What is this? 20 bucks? Look at that. 96. Alright, last time I scored pretty good at this one. Look at this. It's kind of cool. Oh man. If it wasn't damaged, I would definitely pick that up. Oh, what's hiding back here? What is that? It's funky. Alright. We have today. Oh, it looks like he's got some new ones in. Look at that. 32 Ford right there. Taking that one. Okay, you got another one. Super chrome. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's just a normal Challenger. Alright, so I gotta take the 32. Let's see, what do they got up here? Got the Datsunman. Look at that Union. That's super cool. Seagrave. Got the Goat. It's got the Treasure Hunt. Look at that T-bucket. That's super cool. Nothing I really want as far as customs go. That's a nice Porsche. Got the 98 Cobra right there. It's really nice. It's out of the 50th anniversary. I think I'm gonna try to get that GT40 and let's see what else. That old Ferrari back there. I might take that one. Yeah. Yeah, I want to get that Spectra Flame Ferrari for sure. Might take the Firebird, GT40, and the Ferrari. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. As you saw, I did go peg hunting at a few places. I think I stopped off at a total of 4, but I only filmed 3 because the 4th one was just completely useless. There was no point in filming at all. There was absolutely nothing. At least I walked away today with the 32 Ford. This one is really cool. I think I paid $1.50, maybe $2 for this. It is out of the 2017 Hot Wheels Flame series, and it's in red enamel with the yellow flames and of course the chrome 5-spoke wheels. But I definitely was not going to leave this because you guys remember the last time I left the 32 Ford out of the Muppets. I regretted it. This is going to sit nicely with all my other 32s. It's growing. I think I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I have 7 32 Fords, and I think they made like 30 of these. So I'm not going to ever get all the variations, but if I see one that I don't have, I'm definitely going to pick it up. So yeah, and then I also left with this loose Pro Stock Firebird. It is in white enamel with a Proc Racing deco and of course a bunch of other sponsors right there. It does have the chrome PR5s, and this is out of the 2001 release. You do have the nice parachute and of course the wheelie bars, but check this out. This is the one thing I liked about this casting. Look at that detail. Those angles, the stabilizer bar, the headers, transmission, everything is just detailed really, really nice. I like that a lot. And it is a metal flake silver plastic. It's not metal at all. I thought it was originally when I first seen it. I was like, oh, cool, metal base. But it's not. So I do have plans to do a custom with this one. That's why I picked it up. So stay tuned for this one in the future. The next one is what we're gonna start off this week doing a restoration on, and it is the Ford GT40 in red. Check this out. This one's really nice as well. It does have the white and blue stripes running down the center with the number 78. Then of course you have the 78 and the blue and white stripes running down the side as well. It does have the lace wheels, and the thing I like about these wheels is it has the staggered set. It's got the thicker wall lace wheels in the back and then the skinnier low profile lace wheels up front. So really, really cool. This is actually out of the 2000 release, so it's kind of up there in age. The plastic's gonna be hard to restore. Hopefully I can. I'm gonna try to everything I can to wet sand and repolish that glass, but I picked it up because this thing has so much potential. Look at that interior. You could detail the engine, you could detail the seats, the dash. Everything on this car has the potential to be highly detailed. I think a little bit more than the 427, even though that 427 is super clean. I love that car, but I definitely think that this one can be in the same boat as looking as awesome as that one. So that's why I picked this one up. So stay tuned this week. We're gonna start the restoration process on this one. And if you guys remember the last one, we're gonna strip it down, polish it up, select the wheels, and then that'll be episode 1. So stay tuned for this one. Last but not least, I picked up this really cool metal-based Ferrari Testarossa. Check this out. This is out of the 1990s California Custom Series. When I looked it up, it actually came with a unique California Custom box. And it did have, it looks like a pink stripe running down the center with the number 3. There's supposed to be the yellow Ferrari insignia logo somewhere on here. I'm pretty sure it's either on the front or on the rear, somewhere on here. But definitely interesting colors with the blue bumper, the yellow wheels, the red and blue interior, and then a pink chrome. So definitely wild and funky. Maybe that was just the California theme. Definitely did not want to pass this up, and for $1 each was definitely a steal in my opinion. But I love these Real Riders. These are really cool. Let me know in the comments down below when we get to this car, because this is going to be a restoration as well. We're not going to keep it anywhere close to looking like this, because a pink chrome like that is going to be very, very hard to get, and it doesn't even feel like it's a metal cast. It feels plastic. So not sure how the sanding and polishing is going to go, but that's going to be interesting. But let me know what color this should be. Should it be the legendary Ferrari red, black, yellow, maybe a copper, burnt orange color? Let me know in the comments. And then also if I should keep these wheels and just do them black, or maybe some other color. But this is also going to be a restoration mod as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, thanks for all the love and support. I definitely do appreciate you. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, which once we hit the 2,000 milestone, I am going to be doing a giveaway, because everyone keeps asking, when am I going to do another giveaway? And it's definitely time to do another one. So once we hit that 2K, it is giveaway time, and I actually have a list of good cars I'm going to throw in a package. So stay tuned for that. And of course, until next time guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.